Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate TurboTax for rental income and depreciation planning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate TurboTax for rental income and depreciation planning, first, ensure you have the latest version of TurboTax installed. Launch the TurboTax application on your device. Select the option to create a new tax return. When prompted, indicate that you are filing as a landlord or rental property owner. Provide basic information about your rental property, including its address and type. Next, navigate to the section dedicated to income. Select rental income from the available income types. Enter the total rental income you received during the year. Proceed to the expenses section to input your deductible expenses. Include property management fees, repairs, and maintenance costs. Next, navigate to the depreciation section. Identify the property you wish to depreciate and select the option to add it. Follow the prompts to enter the property's purchase price and date of purchase. Indicate any improvements made to the property, as these can enhance depreciation calculations. TurboTax will then calculate the appropriate depreciation deduction. Review your inputs carefully to ensure accuracy. Once you have confirmed all details, proceed to the summary of your rental income and related deductions. This summary will help you understand how rental income impacts your overall tax return. You can now finalize your tax return for submission. Make sure to save a copy for your records. Follow any additional prompts to complete the filing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step